What can I get for 12 prize tickets?
2 thumbtacks and a mustache comb, or 5 rubber bands,
What can I get for 8,000 tickets?
a BB gun.
Can I try that sometime?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks, Nelson. I'll come by your house
Oh,
later.
no, you won't. You stay away from Nelson. He needs to be isolated from everyone.
This sucks. I'm going to Nelson's.
Come on, let's lock and load. Think I can hit that bottle?
Yeah, probably.
Hey, check this out.
Cool. Can I get a shot now?
Bet you can't hit that bird from here.
I don't want to shoot a stupid bird.
I'm Bart Simpson. I'm scared to use a gun. I want to marry Millhouse.
Quit it!
Whoa, major shot. You are one cold-blooded killer, dude. Right through the neck.